My name is DJ Lovell, MarineMax and Gulf Shores. I'd like to show you this 240 Dauntless, the 2018. This boat's 24 foot 8, 8 foot 6 beam, carries 90 gallons of fuel. With this 350 Verado on it, she'll do cruising speed of 30 knots. This boat will actually travel 242 miles, so it can go to any convenient fishing location that you want. Let me show you this feature here. This is a fall-out swim platform. You can actually extend this ladder while you're in the water. It's a new feature on this boat. With this 240 Boston Whaler Dauntless here, we have several boxes in the front, all insulated. You can use them as fish boxes or dry storage. Huge rod locker right here. Fish box is all insulated. Check out the ergonomics of this boat. Everything's conveniently located. You have a small live well up front underneath your front cushion. This boat is equipped with 16 rod holders throughout this boat. Moving forward, you have a small windshield here. It goes up halfway along with your integrated T-tops. Gives you a little bit more space of walking through here. Moving back toward the stern, you have a head with 4 foot 10 inch height in there. Moving back, underneath your seat, your helm seat, you have a large live well, rounded and blue with lighting. You have a convenient tools spot there. You have a adjustable seat for when you're driving. Plenty of real estate on your helm area here to put whatever electronics you like. Trim tabs, electronic, wireless throttle, adjustable steering wheel here. Conveniently located compass in the front. Moving back, you have 9-person capability on this boat with plenty of seating. You have a large jump seat that'll fit 4 adult men. Each corner of this boat, you have a 2-inch drain hole for your deck. On your starboard side, you have a freshwater wash down. All your boxes and lids have stainless steel hardware. Moving back, you have a raw water wash down in the back, and you have a convenient locker storage in your stern. Plenty of rod holder space and deck space. No give. You got a 4-inch seam with the hinges here. If you're interested in this boat and would like to do a sea trial, contact me at 423-653-8655. Call me at MarineMax and Gulf Shores. Thank you so much.